Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel work done using an easy method. We'll start by understanding Excel's fundamental role in managing and analyzing data efficiently. First, confirm you have Microsoft Excel installed on your device. Then, simply open a new, blank workbook. This initial step sets the foundation for all your data entry and calculations, making it straightforward to begin any task. Now, let's focus on entering your data. Type information directly into individual cells, moving between them with ease. Once your data is in, apply some basic formatting. You can bold important headings or add borders to cells, which significantly improves visual organization. Remember to adjust column widths and row heights to ensure everything is perfectly readable. Next, we'll explore some essential formulas that make Excel powerful. The SUM function is perfect for quickly totaling a range of numbers, saving you significant time. You can also use average to calculate the mean value of your dataset. Furthermore, the count function helps you quickly determine how many entries are in a specific selection, providing instant insights. Finally, it's crucial to save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress. Select a descriptive file name and store it in an easily accessible folder. Once saved, sharing your Excel file is simple. You can attach it to an email or upload it to a cloud service, allowing others to view or collaborate on your data effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.